Alright, we're back again. Hasn't really started yet, but the flowers are nice. I like these flowers. Hibiscus, from what I'm told. I'm not a huge flower person as far as naming them, but let's get a look at the whole garden here. Hibiscus over there. My favorite one is this one right here. The bees love this one. The bees love this one. And the bees love... Whoa, I almost wiped right out. Good night, bruh. The bees love this one, although they're gone right now because... I'm assuming because of the storm they're gone, but I love that one. And then it's like a little mini willow tree. Kinda cool. Okay. My favorite one. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Have no idea. Phlox. I know those are phlox, the pink ones. I do remember that. Got my tall grass. Got hydrangea. No. Hydrangea. I just got a nod from the wife that I'm yes. Another hydrangea. Have no clue. Joe Pye weed, I guess. And then the phlox. More phlox. And something else. There's really nothing over there. My blueberry bushes are back, but they're not doing so hot. It's kind of stalled out. I think it's starting to rain.